5, a consumer alert about a popular brand of washing machine. A Bandera area mother says she was doing laundry yesterday when her washing machine exploded. And as consumer reporter Marilyn Moritz reports, this machine, not the first.
I heard what sounded like a tornado just whipping around this room. I mean, it sounded like the roof was caving in.
When Kristen Ryan decided to wash bed sheets Monday morning, she did not expect to get a load of this.
My washer basically exploded.
Her 2-year-old Samsung top loader came undone.
I mean, just stuff everywhere.
While Ryan and her kids ate breakfast, she says the machine lurched into a violent spin cycle.
I'm thinking this ring came off and was actually flying around the room.
The drywall is gashed, the freezer dented.
To give you an idea of the force, the washing machine was shaking so much it moved this freezer. The back was up against that wall. It moved all the way here, and it is so heavy I can barely budge it.
It sounds like a freak incident, but it has happened before. The Consumer Product Safety Commission has a list of complaints about exploding Samsung top loader models. Pieces of the machine were all over the utility room. The top portion of the machine had exploded off and the glass top shattered, and it was in the middle of a cycle, and we heard a loud bang. When Ryan called Samsung, she got apologies, but no explanation. She says the company has offered to pay for a new washer and her damages, but she wants more before, she says, someone gets badly hurt.
It's a ticking time bomb. It's going to happen to someone. There's no doubt.
What would you like to see Samsung do?
Recall every one of these models that it's happened to.
There has been a recall in Australia, but in the U.S., these washers are still on the market and in homes. Marilyn Moritz, KSAT 12 News.
We contacted Samsung. They confirmed they are refunding her money and covering any related expenses. They tell us the incident is rare and that, quote, any occurrence, however rare, is taken very seriously, end quote. You can read their entire statement right now on KSAT.com.